Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to showcase you how to use Emoji Wallpaper Creator on the newest Android 16. Let's begin! So, first you want to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down a little and go to Wallpaper and Style. Here you want to go to More Wallpapers, right here at the bottom. And here we go to Emoji Workshop. And now we are inside the workshop itself. I'm guessing that whenever the Android 16 will release publicly, because this is still third beta, if I remember correctly, then the UI might look a bit different, though you should use it just fine if you follow this tutorial. Though we might have, if the Android 16 already released, then we'll probably have a newer tutorial. But anyway, we have three options right here. We have the emoji, patterns, and colors. In the emoji, we can basically add and remove different emojis from our little wallpaper. So as you can see, currently we have three clouds, one star, and one turtle. We have this all big list of all the... Wow, this is pretty huge. I mean, it basically consists of every single... Okay, the flags look pretty funny, not gonna lie. It consists of every single emoji we currently have on the Google keyboard, so you can choose whatever you want, you like. I will choose something interesting, like, oh, this emoji is really cool. I can also add this one, this one. This one is pretty interesting. And lastly, okay, that's the limit. So I'm going to remove the star and the turtle. And let me go back and create one of these. And yeah, I think I'm set. At least with the emojis, I'm going to hit the check mark. And that is not the preview, the wallpaper I want, because I only changed the emojis. We also have ability to change the pattern. So for example, we can change from lotus to mosaic, which is pretty interesting. We can also increase the size of it. So the bigger ones will look like a random emoji you have. However, the smaller one they actually look pretty good. The lotus is like the little flower with a nice looking pattern to it. We also have stacks, which are, well, simple stacks. Sprinkle, which I believe just randomly puts emojis. And lastly, the prism, which I think this is probably the coolest option, as it is... Oh, that's crazy. Okay, that's looking really cool. So I'm going to leave with... I'm going to definitely stick with the prism, as I think it's probably the most interesting one. And lastly, we have the colors. We can change something dark if we want to go for a dark mode pattern. I'm going to stick with... Oh, that's so sad. There's only one type of green here. It's not the prettiest green, I know. I really like the color green, and I'm pretty disappointed that you can only have one green color. And it's pretty interesting also that you don't have the whole color wheel. I'm guessing they will either add it later, or they will just add more preset colors. Because, as a user of the green color, I really like the color green. I would like to change the green values itself. Anyway, we can also click Inspire Me to basically set something random. So we can just keep pressing the Inspire Me, and you should see... oh, that's funny. And we should see a bunch of different options with different emojis. So for example, you have something like this. You can have... Oh! You know what, I'm going to stick with that. I really like the little fishes here. So after you are finished with the emoji wallpaper creator, all you have to do is press the check mark, and now you can set it as wallpaper, or for example share it to other people, or edit it once again. And yeah, I'm going to click set as wallpaper, and I will leave it as the lock screen one. So I will uncheck the home screen, I will hit set, and if I will leave it and I will go to our lock screen, we should see nice looking emoji wallpaper that's created using the newest emoji creator tool, the wallpaper emoji wallpaper creator tool on Android 16. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.